Correlation.
Okay. Today we are going to discuss here in the book 3, unit 11, that is correlation here. Here in this unit you will find that what is correlation, and here so far in the previous unit we have studied the problems related to only one variable. But in practical life we see and these two variables are related in such a way that the movement of one variable depends on the other something. Example here in temperature, rainfall and production, cost of production also here. There are some simplification, simple definition is turtle. Here it is an analysis of covariation of two or more variables is called here code. Now, in the movement of one variable depends on the other, what does it mean? For example, here for the above example, if the income of a person increases, then the expenditure increases. Also, the rainfall increases, then the production of rice is more.
Used by AM to
Price and
an
demand.
analysis of the
Price of commodity increases, its demand also increases here. Book number 3, correlation. Sometimes variables vary in the same direction, otherwise in opposite direction also. And there are some types of correlation here in statistics. First one is positive correlation. When the two variables vary in the same direction, it is called positive correlation here. For example, is given here income and saving, demand and supply, and then there is rainfall and production also here. Here it is also given that the point here, second type is that is like negative correlation. When the two variables vary in the opposite direction, it is called negative correlation here. For example, is given here price and demand, number of workers and number of days to complete a job, number of words per page and number of pages. This is the example of negative correlation. And there is third point is degree of correlation. Correlation analysis refers to the technique which is used in the measuring closeness of the relationship between variables. Here also, that is how strongly or how weakly they are related, and this relationship is linear one. There are different methods of studying correlation. First one is scatter diagram, second is Spearman's rank, third is Charles-Pearson's correlation here. In the scatter diagram, the name suggests that is only diagram representation two variables. Here we take the two variables. For example, is given here various variables are x and y and plot it on the scale x-axis and y-axis for different types of data here. First one, if we see all the plotted points are in the direction from lower left corner to upper right corner, then this is called positive correlation between x and y. Here it is the given figure in your book, that is positive correlation. There are four dotted lines here from the lower left corner to upper right corner. Example of here correlation here. A scatter diagram. Then there is also, and is if we see all the plotted points are in the direction from upper left corner to the right lower corner, then it is called negative correlation between X and Y here. There is a figure given in your book here on the x-axis and y-axis. Those points are from the upper left corner to the right lower corner. Here, that is negative correlation. It is there. Then there is third point is that is of if we see all the plotted points are just scattered anywhere, that is no particular direction, then it is said there is no correlation or it is zero correlation there. That means correlation is equal to zero here. So here you will see that the figure here third is there are dotted points anywhere here and there in the direction. It is called no correlation that there is no correlation between x and y also here. Then there is one when all plotted points are on the straight line, which is from the lower left corner to the upper right corner, then it is called perfectly positive correlation between x and y here, or it is also known as plus one here. Then there is a fourth point or fourth type is when all the plotted points reach each from upper left corner to the right lower corner, then it is called perfectly negative correlation between x and y. Or it is also noted that denoted that r is equal to -1. Here note that the value of correlation coefficient is denoted by r. This r is a pure number and does not have any unit of measurement. It only calculates the degree of correlation and the limit of this r is -1 or +1. That is between r is lies between -1 and +1. So here there is a Spearman's rank correlation. Sometimes there are certain characteristics which cannot be measured quantitatively. That is, they cannot be expressed in numbers. That is intelligence, honesty. So these are the some points here. And for this purpose, we can rank them individual possessing qualitative characters in ascending or descending order. Then these ranks are considered as the data and correlation between the ranks of the two variables is obtained here. This correlation between the ranks of the two variables was given by Spearman, that is statistician. Therefore, it is known as Spearman's rank coefficient correlation. He has given the formula here, and that formula is r is equal to 1 minus into bracket 6 summation d square upon n into bracket n square minus 1 bracket complete and big bracket is also complete here. Here d means difference between a rank of two variables, that is d is equal to rank 1 minus rank 2 here, where rank 1 is assigned to one variable x and rank 2 is assigned to another variable y. Here n is the number of pairs of observation here. Here is the example given to you here. Suppose ranking participations in the competition to know whether their opinions are more or less the same, to know this rank how to calculate Spearman's rank correlation coefficient here. Here is in the 3, it is the example given here where ranks are given. Example is that the following ranks are given to the competitors by two judges A and B. Here rank given by A, that is those are points here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There are 8 numbers here. A rank given by B for first 4, for second 5, third 6, fourth 7, fifth 8, then 6, 2, 7, 3, third, and 8, 1 here. Now here it is you are asked whether tell whether their opinions are more or less same or different here. Here we have to solve this problem when ranks are given. Here answer is also given in your book. There are some four tables, four here, four columns are here. First column is ranked by A, second column is ranked by B, third column is deviation, that means difference between rank 1 and rank 2, and last column fourth is deviation or difference square is there. Here rank given by A are serially written here from ascending order first A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 here. Then rank B here given by 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, and 1 here. Now we have to find out the difference between these ranks, rank 1 and rank 2 here. First difference 1 minus 4. We cannot subtract 4 from 1. So we subtract 1 from 4, and the sign for 4 is here minus. So the sign of big number should be given to this difference here, and it must be minus 3 here. That means 4 minus 1 is equal to minus 4. Second is also 2 minus 5, it is also minus 3. Third, 3 minus 6, it is minus 3. Fourth, 4 minus 7, it is minus 3. Fifth, 5 minus 8 is minus 3. Minus 2, we can subtract this, that is 4. 7 minus 3, answer is 4. 8 minus 7, answer is 8 minus 1, answer is 7. So here in the third column you will find that there are differences written minus 3 for 5 times, then 4 for 2 times, and 7 is for first time. Now in the last column you will find there is pair of this third column. 3 into 3 minus 3 into 3, that is 9. The sign will be plus here. No need to write that plus sign because it is always plus sign is there before the number. Then there is also 3 minus 3 square, it is 9 minus 3. 5 times there will be 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 there. 4 square is 16 for 2 times, and 7 square is 49. Now there is a summation of this last column. It is known as denoted by the summation d square, and it is 1 to 6 here. Now there is use of this formula. Here D is different in rank A and rank different. That is D is equal to rank A minus rank B, and we have to use this Spearman's formula. That is R is equal to 1 minus into bracket 6 summation D square upon N. N is here 8 here. N into bracket n square minus 1 bracket complete, and big bracket also complete here. Here n is number of pairs of observations. Here are number of pairs are 8 here. So putting those figures in that formula, 1 minus here, it is given here 1 minus 6 into 1 to 6 upon 8 into square of 8 is 64 minus 1, that is 63 here. Then you will find that there is answer is also given here. 7.6 upon 500 means here answer will be 0 point minus 0.5. This is the answer. We show the negative correlation. That means their opinions are different here. Then you are given here the second example, that is where ranks are not given here. Now let us see the example where we have given ranks of variable x and y. X 57, 42, 53, 66, 56. Here given ranks here, not given ranks are here. 28, 75, 68. Now find the ranks observations in ascending order here also. Then you will find here there are some points also here. And those points are given here. X 67, 42, 53. Then 67, 54 and 60. Why here 78, 87, 73, 75, 74 here. In third column, we have to give rank for the X here. The highest number in this for X is 68 here. First rank for 68. And second highest is 67 for X. We have to put second number for the rank here. 66, third number. Then 62, fourth rank. Then 50, 54. Seventh rank. Rank is 8, 7, 3, 4, 5, 1. Now for the Y here, we are also finding the highest number is 81. Then second highest is 70. Then third highest is 77. It is third rank. Then fourth highest is 75. It has 4. Then next number is 74. It has 8th rank. There is 73. It has 6th rank. Then there is 68. It has 7th rank. And last one is 63. It has 8th rank. And 5. Now we have to find the difference between R1 and R2. 2 minus 2 difference 0. 8 minus 1 difference 7. 7 minus 3 difference 4. 3 minus 6. We cannot subtract 6 from 3, but we can subtract 3 from 6. So the bigger number has minus sign, so the answer should be minus 3. 4 minus 4, 0. 5 minus 7, minus 2. 6 minus 8, minus 2. 1 minus 5, minus 4 here. Now in the last column, you will find that there is a d square. That means in the in here. Then 3 into 3, it should be 9 here. Then 0 square will be always 0, 1. Then 2 into 2, that is 4. Then again 2 into 2, it is 4. Then 4 into 4, it is 16 here. Now the last column should be total there, that is summation of d square, it is 98 here. And Here we can use the formula. Here are eight numbers are here.
सायकल येते काय बोलतो.
One minus into bracket 6 summation d square upon n into bracket n square minus 1 bracket complete, also big bracket complete here. Here 1 minus the total of these here is 6 into 90 is 588. Then upon here you will find that n is here 8, then n square 8 square 64 minus 1, that is 63 into 8 is equal to 504. That means 588 upon 504. The answer will be minus 0.1666 here, and this is the answer here. Then you will find that is here in column number 68 is the highest number, therefore rank 1 is given to it, and 67 is second highest, it is rank 2. Now repeated ranks are there. Sometimes there are some repeated ranks, and you will find that the formula for the repeated ranks is given here. 1 minus 6 into bracket summation d square plus total of CF bracket complete upon n into bracket n square minus 1. Here CF is correction factor here. CF is also calculated by m into formula. So you must remember, because without the formula you can't solve the problems also. Then now see here example is given on the basis of repeated ranks here 15, 63, 40, 70, 40, 65, 38, 40, 52 and 15. Why? 40, 30, 35, 60, 55, 30, 25, 45, 50 and 52 here. Now we have to solve this problem x, y, then third column R1, fourth column R2, fifth column and last column is difference square also. Here the ranks are given here also given for 50, 5.5, for 63, 3, 8, 7, because it is the highest number. 48, 65, second highest 2, then 38, 10, 48, and then 40 is double 2 times here, 52, 4, and 50, that is 5.5, it is also 2 times here. Rank for y here 48, 5, 38.5, then 35, 7, 61 because the highest one, then 55, 2, then the 38.5, 25, 45, 6, 54, and 52 third rank here. Now we have to find the difference between rank 1 and rank 2 here. Here, first one is 5.5 minus 5, that is 0.5. Then 3 minus 8.5. We cannot subtract 8.5 from, we have to subtract 3 from 8.5, that means, and it has minus sign, so the difference has minus sign, minus 5.5. And then for third rank, it is also here, also given here 8 minus 1. Here 8 minus 1 is equal to difference 1 here. Then next is 8 minus 2, it has difference of 6 here. Then 2 minus 8.5. We cannot subtract 8.5 from 2, but we can subtract 2 from 8.5. So there is answer in the fifth column, first, second, third, fourth, fifth columns, minus 6.5. 10 minus 10, answer is 0. 8 minus 6, here 2. 4 minus 4, 0. And 5.5 minus 3 is equal to 2.5 here. Now we have to square the in the last column here, 0.5 square will be 0.25. Then minus 5.5 multiplied by 5.5, it will be 30.25. Square of 1, it is always 1. Square of 2, it is always 0. Square of 6, 36. Square of minus 6.5, it is 42.25. Square of 0, 0. Square of 2, 4. Square of 0, 0. Square of 2.5, it is 6.25 here. Now the total of this last column is summation d square is equal to 20 here. Now we have to here for use here this formula. In the x column, 50 is the repeated 2 times, so m1 is the rank of this observation is average of ranks 5 and 6, which these observations would have got had they been not been similarly in X column marking is positive and M2 is 3 here. The rank assigned to them is 7, 8, and 9 here. In Y column, observation 30 is repeated for 2 times here. So here M2, M3 is also the rank assigned to the average is 8 and 9 here. Now we have to use the formula here. R is equal to 1 minus into bracket 6 into bracket summation d square plus CF. Here CF means correction factor upon n into bracket n square minus 1 bracket complete, also the bracket complete here. Here summation here correction factor m1 into bracket m1 square minus 1 bracket complete plus m2 into bracket m2 square minus 1 bracket complete plus m3 into bracket m3 square minus 1 bracket complete upon 12 here. Here correction factor CF is equal to 2 into bracket 2 square minus 1, that is 2 square 4 minus 1 3, that means here 3 into 2 6, then plus 3 into bracket 3 square, that means 9 minus 1 is equal to 8 here, that is 8 and 3 is equal to 24 here, plus 2 into bracket here 2 square, that is 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, 3 into 2 is equal to 6 upon all these 12 here, and this answer comes 3 here. So here R1 is equal to 6 into bracket 6 into 120 plus 3 bracket complete upon here. There are n numbers are 10 here. 10 into bracket 100 minus 10 square, that is 100 minus 199. So here the answer will be 0.2545. This is the answer here. Now there are some test questions also for you. Test yourself. Questions are also given here. First is draw scatter diagram for you. Here numbers are given x, y, y, 7, 10, 17, 16, 12, 13, 9. Then for y, 15, 18, 30, 27, 25, 23, and 30. And there is also second question for you. Find the rank correlation coefficient for the following data. Students' number are there, 1 to 9 are number. And rank given by them, A is 3, 4, 1, 2, 5, 7, 9, 8, 6 are there for rank A. For rank B, it is 5, 7, 1, 4, 2, 9, and 6 are there. Now first we have to given here ranks are given must be there, and those are given as per here in your book. Answers are also given here, and those are also answers also given here. The ranks are here. 3, 4, 1, then 2, 5, 7, 9, 8, and 6 for A. Then for B, 5, 7, 1, 4, 3, 2, 8, 9, 6 here. Now in the third column, we have to use the difference between rank A and rank 1 and rank B here. That means here you will find the difference here 3 minus 5. Subtract 5 from 3, but we can subtract 3 minus 5, that is minus 2 here. Then 7 minus 3, then 1 minus 1, 0. Then 4 minus 2, minus 2 here. Then there is next difference is also 5 minus 3, it is 2 here. 7 minus 2, it is 5. 9 minus 8, it is plus 1. Plus sign is always there, not needed to be right there. Then 8 minus 9, we cannot subtract 8 here from 9, but we can subtract 9 from 8, that means minus 1. And here 6 minus 6, it is 0. So in this way, in the third column, you will find that there is difference here minus 2, minus 3, 0, minus 2, plus 2, plus 5, plus 1, minus 1, and 0. In the last column here, you will find the d square. That means which numbers are coming in the third column. Deviation, d square or square of each is there. First one is 2 square minus 2 into minus 2, it is 4 here. Then minus 3 into minus 3, it is 9 there. Then 0 has always 0. Minus 2 into minus 2, it is 4 there. Plus 2, 2 into 2, 4. 5 into 5, 25. 1 into 1, it is 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, it is always 1. And 0 has always 0. So here the students number are n is equal to 9. And here we use the formula, that is r is equal to 1 minus into bracket 6 summation d square upon n into bracket n square minus 1 bracket complete, and big bracket also completing here. So here one we can 1 minus into bracket 6 into 48, that is multiplication is also 288 here. Then upon 9 into 9 square, that is 81 minus 1, that means here 80 into 90 is equal to 720. So here 288 upon 720, that means 1 minus 0.4, that is approximately 6, 0.6. This is the answer for you for this question number, self-study question number 2 also here. Then you will find here the third question for you is given here. Following are the marks given by judges to 7 students in drama competition. Calculate the rank correlation coefficient here. Students number are here given, that is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. That is n is equal to 7. Marks given by judge A for first 17, for second 13, for 3 9, for fourth it is 10, for fifth it is 7, for sixth it is 15, and for seventh it is 18, 11. Marks given by judge B here for first 10, for second 18, third 5, fourth 19, fifth 8, sixth 6, and seventh 9 here. So here are the marks here given for judge A and judge B. For the answer we have to use here is there are number 7 here also, and for this one we can use the formula here. Here are some numbers are here. Judge A, those are numbers 17, 13, 9, 10, 7, 15, and 11 here. Then for judge B, 10, 18, 5, 19, 8, 6, and 9. In third column here, we can rank these numbers given by judge A here. The highest number is 17 here, it has first rank. Then second highest is 15, it has second rank. Third highest is 13, it has third rank. Fourth highest is 11, it has fourth rank. Then next rank highest is 10, it has fifth rank. Then there is next highest is 9, it has 6 1. Then next highest is 7, it is 7. So these are the ranks first 1, 3, 6, 5, 7, 2, and 4 for rank A here. Then for rank B, highest one is 19, it has first rank. For second highest, it is 18, it has second rank. For third highest, it is 10, it has the third rank. For the next highest is 9, it has the fourth rank here. Then there is also fifth rank is 7 here. Then 6 is for 2 and 7 is for 5 here. So these are the ranks for B3, 2, 7, 1, 5, 6, 4. Now we have to find the difference between these rank A and rank B, that is rank 1 and rank 2. Here first in 1 minus 3 minus 2. We cannot subtract 3 from 1, but we can subtract 1 from 3. And that is why there is a number of big numbers should be, sign should be there given. That is 3 has minus sign, it should be minus 3 here. So the first answer is minus 2 here. Then 3 minus 2, it is 1. Then 6 minus 7, it is minus 1 because we cannot subtract 7 minus 6 here. Then 5 minus 1, it is 4. Then 7 minus 5, it is 2. Then there is 2 minus 6, it is here minus 4. And 4 minus 4, it is always 0 here. Then you will find that there is the d square. That means we have to find out such numbers in the fifth column, that is d square there. 2 into 2, 4, 1 into 1, 1, minus 1 into minus 1, 1, 4 square,
Chairman.
4, 4 square, 16, and 0, always 0. Now the total here is also, it is wrong total given in your book because it should be 42, but it is printed as 32 here. You will see that on this page number 16 here, the total is wrong here because the total should be here, it should be here the total is wrong also, because you will find that the total is given in your book here it is wrong one, and here you will find that the total should be 42, but it is written as 32 here. D square 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 16 plus 4 plus 16 is total should be 42 here. And now we can use this formula here also, and here is the your answer will be here is given here that uh, 1 minus 6 upon summation upon minus n into bracket n square minus 1 bracket complete, big bracket is also complete here. Then you will find that there is 1 minus 6 into 32 here. It is correctly written here 32, but only on the above column you would find that this total is not correctly written. It should be 42 here. Instead of 32, it should be 42 here. Then there is 1 minus 6 into 42 should be there. Instead of 32, it should be 42 here. And this is why, so here you will find that the total should be here given here, that is the total must be there. Then there is also here is a point here is given to you. It should be 42 here. And the multiplication of 6 into 42, it should be there 252 upon 333 here. So the answer should be here 1 minus 0.75. The answer should be here 0.25, which is given in your book 0.43. This is a wrong answer. The answer must be 0.25. This is the correct answer. Now there is also fourth question for you is given in your book. There are some fourth question is given in for here. Also find the ranks given by here is the fourth question is also given for you. Here is find so x and y ranks given are here 69, then 40x here 69, 44, 55, 69, 64, 62, 56, and 69. These are the ranks given here for X here. For Y, there are ranks given, marks given here 80, 82, 10, 80, 75, 77, 70, 65, and 67. Now we have to give the ranks here. Here for the A here, X means here rank 1. For 69 second, for 44, 8, 55, 7. Then 69 second, 64, 4. Then 62, 5, 56, 6. And 69, 2. Here you will see that 69 number there, it repeated ranks here for 3 times here. It has second, and for rank B 18.5 are 2 times here, so it has rank 2 times 2.5. Highest number is 82, it has the first rank. Then third is 77, it has third rank. Then fourth is 75, it has fourth rank. 50, 70, it has 5 rank. Then 60, 67, it is 6th rank. And last one is 65, it has 7th rank here. Now we have to find the difference between rank 1 or rank A minus rank B here. So here the difference between 2 minus 2.5, we cannot subtract 2.5 from 2, but we can subtract 2 from 2.5, and 2.5 has minus sign, so the in answer it should be minus 0.5 there. Then 8 minus 1, it has 7. 7 minus 2.5, it is 4.5. 2 minus 4, it is minus 4 here. Then 4 minus 3, it is minus 1 here. 5 minus 5, it is 0. Then it is 6 minus 1. We cannot subtract 7 from 6, but we can subtract 6 from 7. And 7 has minus sign, so in answer it has minus 1. Then 2 minus 6. Here is also we can't subtract 6 from 2, but we can subtract 2 from 6, and 6 is big number or large number. It has minus sign. In answer, it is also minus 4 here. Then you will find here the first, second, third, fourth, fifth column 0.57, 4.5, minus 2, 1, 0, minus 1, and minus 4. These are the differences. Now in the last column, we have to make square of these fifth column numbers here. square of minus 0.5, that is minus into minus will be plus here 0.25. Then 7 into 7, 49. 4.5 into 4.5, it is 20.25. 2 into 2, 4. 1 into 1, 1. 0 has always 0. Again 1 into 1, 1. And square of 4 is equal to 16 here. Now here the total of this last column, you will find that it is the correct total is 90.5 here. Here 99 has repeated rank for 3 times here. So 80 is also repeated for 2 times here. Here m into bracket m square minus 1 and second for m square minus 1 upon 12 here. Then you will find here also that is the 69 3 times here. So 3 into 3 square minus 1, that means here 3 square 9 minus 8, it is also coming here. The answer is here also 24 here, because 3 into 3 9 minus 8 into 3 is equal to 24 here. Then 80 2 times here, 2 into bracket 2 square minus 1 minus here 2 square 4 minus 1 3. 3 into 2, it is 6 here. Then for next one is 2 and here 2 0.5, it is the total of 2.5 here. Now here you will find that there is a formula. Here formula is that r is equal to 1 minus into bracket 6 into bracket summation d square plus m into bracket m square minus 1 upon 12 bracket complete upon here n into bracket n square minus 1 here. Here you will find that there is a here printing mistake is there, because here the total of 49.5, 20.5 and 22, it is 91.5 should be there. Instead of here 90.5, it should be 91.5 plus 2.5. It is here 94 should be there. So here 1 minus 94, that is here. So answer is 1 minus 60, 564 upon 54. That means here is printing mistake there. 5.58 here, 558. Instead of that number, it should be here 564 should be there. And that is why the answer should be here is wrong one, because the answer is given in your book. Here is 1 point minus here 1.107. Instead of that, it should be 1.094. And the correct answer is minus 0.94. This is the correct answer. In the book, it is printing mistake is there, because the correct answer is should be there minus 0.094 should be there. Then there is also fifth question is given here for you. Here the numbers are given for you are here. There is fifth question is given for you here. The numbers are given here are also given. Those numbers are here given. The coefficient of rank correlation between marks in two subjects obtained by the group of students is 0.6. If the sum of the squares of the differences in the rank is 2.22 is here given, then find out the number of students in a group here. Here it is, you are given here, you are given r is equal to, here r is equal to 0.6. And sigma d square is 22.4. Numbers, we have to find out these numbers here. Here r is equal to 1, that formula should be there. R is equal to 1 minus 6 into bracket 6 summation T square upon N into bracket N square minus 1 bracket complete here. Then again, it is down there 0.6, that is a correlation given answer is equal to 1 minus 6 into 22.4 upon N into bracket N square minus 1 bracket complete. Then again here 1 minus 0.6 is equal to 6 into 22.4 upon N into bracket N square minus 1. Then here you will find that again here N is equal to N square minus 1 is equal to 6 multiplied by 24.4 here, and here the numbers are not given here upon 0.0.4 here. Here the formula a square minus 1, that means n minus 1 bracket first, then into 1 here n, again second bracket n plus 1 is equal to, here the total multiplication of this 6 into 2 to 4 here, multiplication of this 2 to 4 is here given that 134.4 here. Then here you will find that here 134.4 upon n into bracket n square minus 1. By transfer, we can make here n into bracket n square minus 1 is equal to 336 here. And here the number will be here 6 into 7 into 8. Here number will be 7 here. So in this way, this is the correct answer for 1 here. Here is also there are some test universal problems. Since the value of large, we will change this origin and scale, and the new variable will be u here. Now here you will find that x and y. Let us x denote age of husband and y denote age of wife here. And you will find that there are some numbers are given here, and here x 45, then y, those are numbers given by here y, those are numbers given by y 14, then x 45, 40, 45, 50, 65, 35, 45. For y, 40, 35, then 40, 45, 55, 25, and 40. Here, let's assume x bar minus 50 upon 5 here. X minus 50 upon 5. Then here you will find that those numbers are given here, and those numbers are here also given in your book, that here it is 45 minus 50, it is minus 5 upon 5, it is minus 1 here. Then for second, here for is 40 minus 35 50 is equal to here minus 2 here. For third, it is also minus 1, 0, then 0, 3, minus 3, and minus 1 here. The summation of total is here minus 5 for third column. For fourth column for y here, q is equal to minus 40 upon 5. For first 0, second minus 1, third 0, fourth 1. For next 3, minus 3, and 0. The total is also it has 0. Then multiplication of this third column and fourth column. Minus 1 multiplied by 0, it is also 0. 2 into 2, 2 into 1, it is 2. 1 into 0, it is 0.
जायचं नाही. या सरांनी दुसरं कोणतरी खाईल. कोण नाही खात. जायचं मुलं वाटायला. पंजाबी राईस 200 किलो. पंजाबी पंजाबी चालू केला. बिल पावडर 100. डाळ 100. डाळ हरभरा डाळ 150. मूग डाळ 60. उडीद डाळ 30. शेंगदाणे 50. बेसन 30. खडा मीठ 50. टाटा मीठ 50. मसूर 30. राजमा 30. मटकी 60. किती मटकी टोटल 980. 40. 190. 430. 670. 720. 750. 780. 840. 200, 300, 400, 500, 610. हा इथं 610 आलं इथपर्यंत. 200, 300, 400, 500, 60 पर्यंत 610 आलं. 610 नंतर 640. 610 आणि 100. 610 आणि 110. हो आपलं 720. 720 आणि 100. 720 आणि 100. 820. 820 आणि 30. 820 आणि 80. हा 200, 300, 400. हे 500 झाले. इथं 510 झालं. 610 इथं. सॉरी 610 झालं. हो 610 झालं. 640 झालं. इथं 690 झालं. 50. 100 ना. 690. 690 आणि 30 किती झालं? 720. 770. 720 आणि 50 770. 820. 820. 850. 850. 850. 880. 30. 880 सांगितलं. 880. 880 आणि 60. 940. आपलं 920. 940. इथं 780. 880 झालं ना. 940. 940 झालं. एवढी जेवढ्या टाकून यायची जाणार नाही द्यायची. तुला परत 2 दिवस लागला.